Surface Book 3 leak reveals MacBook Pro rivaling GPU options. Top-end model will allegedly have NVIDIA Quadro graphics. The incoming Microsoft Surface Book 3 has fallen victim to yet another leak, this time exposing its MacBook Pro rivaling GPU credentials. Just hours ago, a leak revealed that the Surface Book 3 would arrive packing Intel's 10th generation Ice Lake U processors, with both 13.5-inch and 15-inch models set to feature a Core i7 CPU with a base clock speed of 1.3 GHz. There was no mention of a dedicated graphics card, but hardware tipster Roland Quandt has since revealed what GPU options the two-in-one machine will offer. In a tweet, Quandt claims that the smaller 13-inch model will feature an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Max-Q GPU coupled with 4GB of GDDR5 memory, while the 15-inch Surface Book model will feature a more powerful GTX 1660 Ti Max-Q card teamed with 6GB of GDDR5 memory. For those after more power, Microsoft will also make Quadro graphics cards available for the 15-inch model in its highest spec 32GB configuration, according to Quandt, though the specifics of this variant have not yet been revealed. We don't know much else about the Surface Book 3, though previous rumors had suggested that Microsoft is also planning to offer an AMD variant of the machine, much like it did with the Surface Laptop 3, that sports a custom Ryzen 4000 CPU with integrated Radeon RX Vega 11 graphics. Once it's official, the Microsoft Surface Book 3 will be available to buy for $1,699, around £1,385, $3,318 according to rumors, which will get you a 13-inch model Sans D GPU with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. Microsoft's highest-spec 15-inch Core Surface Book model, which is the version that will likely be offered with Quadro graphics, will likely set you back a whopping $3,399, around £2,770, $6,640. The Surface Book 3 is expected to make its debut any day now, alongside a revamped Surface Dock and the second-generation Surface Go laptop. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more upcoming videos.